Good morning, language arts students. Today is Thursday, April 2nd. Yes, this video is in progress. I'm doing it right now. Basically, our learning targets for today, still easing into things. Make sure you're reading 30 minutes a day. I can see from your reading logs that people are reading and reading some fantastic books. Good job. Just some practice with main idea and theme review using IXL.com today. Let's do some of that. We haven't used IXL a lot during the school year, but this is why not take advantage of it now. There's some good skills that can be learned from that. Then prepositions, hopefully at 8 o'clock, the prepositions assignment will post. There's a video, like an old-fashioned video you can watch. We talked about the Super Grover thing, over the chair, under the chair, next to the chair, by the chair. All those words like under, over, next to, under, or by, uh, even from the chair, to the chair. Those are all prepositions and prepositional phrases. But pick up a little bit of that from the video and the follow-up assignment. And then it says classroom read aloud. I found my book, went and dug around for that. So what I'm going to try and do is probably just, I only get 15 minutes for each recording on this free service. So I might just read for 15 minutes and you can tune in and see if you want to continue, pick up where the story left off. If you don't have an interest in read aloud any longer, then don't do that. But some people did express an interest in wanting to have the rest of Watson's Go to Birmingham read to them. So I'm going to do that, and that's pretty easy Thursday for you. Nothing else to point out, I don't believe. Hopefully next week we'll organize a Zoom or a Google Meet, maybe half the kids at a time or something like that. I know a lot of you have indicated a need and a desire to do that, and that's true. That's fun. We've been doing that with my advisory, and it is meaningful. So we'll try to get together online a little bit next week, okay? All right, carry on Thursday. Get outside also. Beautiful out there yesterday, and should be some sunshine again today. Carry on.